What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will show you Nova Click tutorial. So this is going to be a full beginner's guide. So there are going to be a number of things that you need to do here to get you started with using Nova Click. So the first thing that you want to do here is you want to first connect your account. So you want to go to their official website, which is going to be novaclick.io, and from here just click on join now. Now this should open up Telegram here, so what you need to do is you just need to click on the start bot option that you see on your screen. Now typically speaking, it will redirect you to Telegram here, which in this case just click on start bot, but once you hit on it, it should redirect you to the actual chat or the actual bot itself. Now by the way, if you can't access it, like for example you try clicking on the start bot here, it's not popping up anything here, you can just copy the username here or the ID, and from then on you just need to open up Telegram here and manually search for the bot itself. But in the bot itself, you want to just click on start here. From here, it's going to welcome you to Nova. So in this case, you want to go ahead and either click on one of the following options. So if you have a access code that you could use to access Nova here, you could go and click enter access code. But if you want to join the queue, you could go and click on join queue here, like what we're doing right now. So in this case, this will actually count down the access until we get ours. So as you can see right now, it's around like 2 hours and 25 minutes for me. So in this case, just wait for your access. Now, once Nova actually created your account, or once you've granted access into the platform itself, what you need to do next is we need to do a few things here in order for you to start using it. So before we proceed on logging here, I would suggest you to first get the extension for Nova. So you can get this from the Chrome web store here. Just search for Nova extension and just add this into your browser. In my case, I'm using Google Chrome here if you're wondering. So you can also get this on Firefox if I'm not mistaken, but in this case, just go ahead and just add it into your browser. Now once you've added this into your browser, I would recommend you to open up your extensions here and make sure to pin this into your extensions so that you can access it immediately in here. Now, in this case, how do we log in? How do we connect our accounts? So in this case, you want to go ahead and basically go to the following webpage, which is going to be click.trade.on-nova.io, and you want to go and click on the connect button at the top right. Now you should open up the Telegram login here. So in this case, I would recommend you to download and install the Telegram desktop here. So this might not work if you're just using the web version. So it's really important that you get the desktop version. So I had a problem with this before, but you want to go and click on open Telegram desktop here, and it should open up your Telegram desktop. And in here, what you need to do is you just need to click on the Launch Nova Click option. Now once you click on it, it should give you this link here. Go ahead and click on open, and it should initiate the login process, and it's going to say success, you're now connected to Nova Click. Now you can go and click on got it. And how do we start using this on our platform? So as an example, maybe I want to use this on bullx.io. Now in this case, this can be kind of tricky here, because what you need to do is you want to make sure, again, you want to connect your accounts first. But once you've connected your account, you want to go and switch over to your extension at the top right here. And typically speaking, this is the first thing that you see. It's going to be disabled. You won't see the special UI, the add-ons that you see on your web page here. But in this case, once you have your extension, just click on enable. And from here, you should be able to see the buy amount presets and the sell amounts presets as well. But once you actually access one of the tokens here, as you can see, it's going to access this one. You have now the option to switch to selling or switch to buy here. You can even sell in percentage or buy in SOL here. Yeah, so basically you can start buying and selling here, since we've already connected our account and are using the Nova Click extension or Nova extension here. But yeah, so also, by the way, you could actually access the panel itself. So if you click on the Nova extension and click on enable Nova panel here, you have this really cool panel that we could use. Again, you could use this for buying and selling again, and you could use the presets here. So yeah, so you can even enter your own percentage and the amount you want to buy here, customize it. And you can also go to your second presets here, S1 and S2. You can even go and switch your settings here. So you have buy fee, buy tip, buy slipping, sell fee, sell tip, and sell slippage. And also, by the way, with the updates that they made with Nova here, you could actually do transactions via the bot itself. So you just need to click on menu at the bottom left here, and you could basically click on start, and you can buy, view your wallets, view the sniper, the positions, limit orders, copy trade here. So everything you need, you can actually access it by the bot itself without accessing the actual web page for it. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.